Hello everyone. I was born and raised in India where cauliflower was king and broccoli was just a rumor until I moved to the USA. When I saw broccoli the first time, I thought, what's this alien vegetable? But today I'm making this one broccoli dish that turned me into a believer and turned my daughter's lunchbox into a schoolyard sensation. So let's begin. So here are the ingredients: 1 cup raw bowtie pasta, also known as farfalle, 6 to 7 florets of broccoli, 1 tablespoon of chopped onions, 2 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon butter, 1 teaspoon dry oregano, 2 to 3 thinly sliced mushrooms, 1 teaspoon black pepper, salt to taste, 1/4 cup whole milk, 2 tablespoons grated parmesan cheese, and a little chili flakes. Start by heating olive oil and butter together like opposites work in perfect harmony. Now add dry oregano, crushing it between your fingers. Let the butter melt and the dry oregano sizzle a little bit. Add chopped onions. Add minced garlic. Stir them all together until everything is uniformly mixed. Add freshly ground black pepper and a little salt. The salt helps onions to release water. Stir them together. Don't let the garlic burn. Burnt garlic holds grudges. Add thinly sliced mushrooms and stir everything together. Salt in the onion will help mushroom also release water. Let it cook until the onions turn translucent. Once the mushroom has softened a little bit, add milk. Stir properly, mixing everything together. Let it come to a boil. And now turn off the heat. In the meanwhile, cook pasta in boiled salted water. Cook pasta according to package's instructions. Every once in a while, get a pasta out. Press between your fingers to check if it's done. It should be al dente. That means in Italian, a little chewy. Add broccoli florets. Stir and cook exactly for 60 seconds, not 61 seconds, or the broccoli will get overcooked. After 60 seconds, turn off the heat. Broccoli is still not mushy, still green, still very proud. Drain pasta and broccoli and toss it into the creamy mushroom mixture. Stir everything together, mixing the creamy mixture with pasta and broccoli. Sprinkle the grated parmesan cheese and mix. At this point, it will look runny. You will panic, but don't worry. Breathe. Let it rest for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Pasta's starch works like a tiny wizard, turning milk into creamy goodness. So you are good. After letting it rest for 10 minutes, this is what you have: thick, creamy, and starchy broccoli pasta. This healthy pasta is just fit for your children's lunchbox, or you can serve it for dinner, lunch, guests, or as a side dish as well. Serve hot or cold with extra sprinkle of parmesan cheese or chili flakes if your child likes extra spicy pasta. So yes, broccoli went from alien to adored. And remember, broccoli isn't boring. You just haven't met this pasta yet. Try it. Thanks for watching.